Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak with Jayant. Today I am going to talk about one of the most common problem we all face, and that is fear of speaking in English. As we know, especially I know that fear very well because I have felt it too. The moment when you have to say something and you know what to say in your mind, but when it's time to speak, your tongue freezes, your heart beats faster, and you forget everything. You forget everything you know, and and this problem happens with every beginner level speaker. So today, let's talk about why this fear happens and how can we overcome it step by step. Let's understand the root of this fear. We are not actually afraid of English. We afraid of people's judgment. We think, what if I make a mistake? What if they laugh at me? What if I sound foolish? This fear of judgment is the biggest barrier. You know what? Every fluent speaker you see today once had the same fear. The only difference is they didn't stop. They kept going, even when it was uncomfortable. So remember, fear is not signal to stop. It is the signal to start. First of all, understand that it's completely normal to be afraid. Even native speakers get nervous while speaking in public. So you are not alone. And there is nothing wrong with you. Fear means you care about what you are saying, and that's a good thing. So instead of saying I'm scared, say I'm excited to improve. It's all about the mindset, what you carry in your mind. Let's talk about the most practical step, which is speaking out loud every single day. You cannot overcome fear by just watching videos or reading books. You overcome it only by speaking, even if it's wrong or even if it's broken. Small starts with small conversation. Talk to yourself in English for at least 5 minutes a day, or describe your day, describe whatever you have planned for that day, or even what you are eating as well. Record your voice, listen to it, improve one word each day. And when you practice speaking alone, you build confidence so that when you speak in public, you are ready to speak. One of the biggest reasons people never improve is because they are afraid to make mistakes. But here is the truth. Mistakes are best teachers. When a baby walks, it falls. It falls hundreds of times. But it never says, oh no, I fell, I'll never walk again. It keeps trying. So that's exactly you must read English as well. Because every mistake is a step towards fluency. So don't say I can't speak English. Say I am learning to speak English. This small change in mindset will change everything. Another important tip is surround yourself with English. Watch English videos, listen to English podcasts, read simple English book, talk to your friends in English. Even if it's a half Hindi, half English, that's completely okay. The more your brain hears the language, the more comfortable it becomes. And you don't need to go abroad to learn English or speak English. You just need to bring English into your world. Many people think confidence is something you are born with, but no, confidence is something you build in yourself. Every time you speak a sentence in English, your confidence muscle grows. Every time you try, you become stronger. And don't wait for the perfect day to become fluent. Don't uh, don't give excuses to be fluent. Just start today, speak today, even if it's just one line still it is okay to speak at least a one line for the day. Let me tell you something honestly. When I started speaking in English, it was too hard to speak in this language. But what I used to do, I used to listen only to my friends, and gradually I started making sentences in English and started speaking with my friends in English. So what happened is, uh, gradually I understand that it's not just about the grammar or vocabulary. You learn it gradually by speaking, not by listening or just memorizing words. So you need to speak to become fluent, and that's how you can also do. And it didn't happen in one day. It happened. It happened because I kept speaking every day. So if I can do it, you also can. So remember three things. Don't fear mistakes. Practice daily at least for 5 minutes, and don't compare yourself with others, because others' journey is totally different from yours. You have very different situations and others have very different situations. So never ever compare yourself with others. Your journey is yours. Make it beautiful, make it brave, and make it unstoppable. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends who are afraid of speaking English. Subscribe to Speak with Jayant, because together we'll grow each and every day. Thank you for listening, and remember, speak with confidence, not perfection. Till then, keep growing, keep speaking.